those wheels look nice on that shit.
Third wheel action.
Yeah. Got the fam. What's good, baby? How y'all? Fam here. What's good? We all out here chilling, snizzling on gooses. We waiting for my man Sideshow to go pull up over there. We just met up here, you know, just to cool out and whatnot, you know. But yeah, drove the Lex. She good, obviously, you know. Just gotta adjust the fucking boost controller, but once I adjust the boost controller, everything will be Gucci, everything will be good. But you know, so far so good though. I mean, everything in here looking clean. Pour a little liquor out for my homies, you know. Spilt my shit. But yeah, everything is running clean though. Everything's good. I can't complain. I'm happy so far, you know. Definitely gonna try to be making more content. I've been slacking and whatnot, but it's definitely coming. I appreciate y'all. Yeah. Yeah, we out here. We got to the show, meet, whatever you want to call it. There's a good amount of cars, not nothing crazy, but you know, it's decent. It's decent. So, you know, shit live. We put out Mafia, baby.